a right scissor step. So you just go, you step out on your right, together with your left, and cross over your left with your right. So that's 1 and 2. So 1 and 2. Next step, same thing with your left foot. 3 and 4. Okay? Next step is you're going to do kind of like a little hip bump with a quarter turn. So 5 and 6, ending your weight on your right foot. When you're facing this wall, you're going to end with a coaster step. 7 and 8. The next 8, we're going to do 2 lock steps forward, starting with your right foot. So right, lock, right, and then left, lock, left. To finish the dance, you're going to do a chaser step. So you step out with your right foot, turn, put your weight forward on your left, and then step forward on your right, so your weight's transferred to the right. Jesse's in the way. And then to end the dance, you're just going to do 1 more lock step forward with your left. So left, lock, step. And then you start the dance over. So we're going to do the whole dance all the way through with me calling it out. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Right, scissor, left, scissor, hip, bump, step, coaster, step. Right, lock, step, left, lock, step, step, turn forward, left, lock, step. And then you start the dance over.